Saa zingine wanatafuta polisi wanaweka kwa mfuko.
Jotelo kaunti ma Embu koro kwedo wach keto gitenge e pok mar omenda mawuok e sirikal mamalo. Kagiloso muya e kinde nyasi mar duoko erokamano mar MCA ma Muya Ward Job Itumo e kanisa mar AIC kwa Munyambu, jotelogo owacho ni kaunti ma Embu owinjo pognegi omenda go nikech nus mar kaunti no otuo. Kotelnegi kod gavana ma Embu Sisili Mbarire, jotelogo ramo ni ok gibiyie mondo kaunti no kik yud pok mar omenda go nikech mano miyo jogo modake gwenge ma oro nitiere kaunti no koro sandore. Mbarire seyo duol mochung' ne pok mar omenda kuom weyo oko kaunti ma Embu e kinde pok mar omenda go, gino mowacho ni thiro dongruok e kaunti ma Embu.
Ilhali tunajua vizuri Mbeere North, Mbeere South deserve equalization fund. Kwa hivyo Senator Montigi alikataa na akakataa hiyo maneno. Na mimi nikaandika barua kwa Commission on Revenue Allocation kuambia kwamba Mbeere South must be considered in the equalization fund.
Area ya Mbeere South particularly has been left out. Mbeere South has got no own source of water up to now. Any retro water which comes to Mbeere South comes from Mount Kenya side. Now it does not even cover that of Mbeere South. So Mbeere South requires its own source of water. Number two, when we come to infrastructure roads, Mbeere South for the last 40 years, what we can say we have seen like development on roads is less than 6 kilometers of tarmac.
And therefore tunasema ni haki yetu ambapo serikali wakati inagawa pesa za equalization inapaswa kuconsider Embu County as one of the areas. Mimi ward yangu Makema Ward is 342 square kilometers. Na ni area ambayo ni kubwa hata kuliko Runyenjes constituency which has 6 wards.
Justice Amoko e county